First video is going to be Scary Comp V56.
The following video was posted by a Reddit user whose family
Right off the bat, Reddit, we have to go with Reddit. Right off rip.
has been experiencing strange activity at home. The Reddit user in question is a father who seems to be concerned for his family. According to the daughter, she had seen a shadowy figure inside her room. As stated by the daughter,
I'm sorry, is that not just a nightmare though? That's a normal reaction to having a nightmare. You know, waking up feeling like you're still in it type shit, you know? That's not crazy.
She had seen the silhouette of a figure inside her room, causing her to react the way she did. She further adds that around the same time, her clock radio had turned on by itself. Given all that occurred, one can understand why she was totally freaked out. Needless to say,
well, a clock radio is gonna turn on by itself anyway. That's what it does, but you set it to turn on.
This hadn't been the only incident that's made him feel scared, as something pretty strange had taken place a few weeks prior. It's 3 a.m. when suddenly the following is caught on camera.
Okay, if it's good, I feel like I would understand them blaming like demons and stuff. Otherwise, you're just jumping to conclusions.
As stated by the father, they have no clue as to where the sound came from.
It was just a noise. That could have came from anything. It could have been outside of the house. That could have been something driving by. That was a terrible add-on example. That did not help at all. I just feel like these people are crazy.
Family doesn't know what to make of this. There has yet to be more videos uploaded by the father, but until then, the situation of this family remains a mystery.
I'll say, no, it's a mystery, but it's not paranormal. What? It was just a nightmare. All right, that one was a dud. We're not liking off that.
In a previous video, I talked about a mother who bought a house that she believes is haunted. The mother is known as Jen Barari, and ever since moving in, her family has not been able to sleep at night. It seems that it's always at night that strange things occur. From Jen's daughter waking...
Wait, she intentionally bought a haunted house?
I talked about a mother who bought a house that she believes is haunted.
Oh, okay. I thought she intentionally... Okay.
From Jen's daughter waking up in the middle of the night and staring at something that isn't there, to a swing set in which one of the swings moves on its own while the rest stay motionless. Jen is lying in bed as she watches TV when something else catches her attention.
Time to construct something new, something durable. With fortifications of iron, stone, and steel. I will not be ruled. I will
There
not
it goes.
be married.
You see it?
Remove all of this. I'm popping a dance floor over there. I'll play complicated music.
Let's not have some big vulgar display. I'd rather we just do something simple and intimate. All I need is you and justice of the peace, welcome to their rings, and spring.
What happened? It closed?
Are you kidding?
Oh.
Will Drake is getting married. This wedding needs to be the event of the season. Trust me, I'm a showman. This is what I do.
Well, I love
Turn
you.
a
My
light
camera's
on.
trying to focus on something.
I love you. Well,
Oh, that's kind of freaky, actually.
started, but you let the world. Weary of the world, young lady.
Dude, she's not even freaking out. I'd be...
I think I found your boy.
Weary
Holy shit.
disappointment. I won't be disappointed again.
What was that?
Alright, I'm giving up. Thanks.
Although this incident has left Jen very unsettled, she continues to stay in this house as she won't let any ghosts drive her away. However,
Ooh, that's nice. That's cool. That's defiant. I feel like I would want to have that attitude, but I don't know if I would after like if this really happened to me, because I kind of believe her reaction, even though it's kind of laid back. But I mean, you could easily fake that, so it's not super insane.
This fairly new incident might just be the most unsettling out of all.
Okay, well now I'm a little more suspicious. It's nice to have an add-on incident, but I mean, I'm a little suspicious now.
She proceeds to check out the noise and captures this.
It's a good setup. So far makes sense.
That bathroom light that wasn't on.
What is that?
Oh my god, if you guys could feel like my heart pounding through my chest.
Well, that might just be you.
Hello? I feel like an animal. Yo.
Nah. I sounded it after. I don't believe it. Yeah, that's set up. And then she set up the video right after that.
After having stomped her foot, someone or something can be heard running towards Jen. Naturally, she was left totally shocked.
Nah. I mean, there's so many videos like that. We see it all the time. I mean, that is not original at all. And one of the easiest things to do, of course, she does that. It pops off, and then she makes another one right after with another easy to fake but believable, so that people like me are like, oh, well, her reaction seems, you know, she's manipulating people. So lame.
By Steve Ballard, who was exploring an underground tunnel when something quite unsettling was caught on camera. At the time of this recording, Steve didn't see anything strange, and neither did his friend, who was also with him at the time. For one, his flashlight, which was fully charged, was immediately drained of its battery upon entering a particular section of the tunnel. But, by far, the weirdest incident was when Steve had felt as though someone was breathing down his neck. And it couldn't have been his friend, as he was keeping his distance behind Steve.
Wait, so I'm just supposed to believe that their flashlight went out mid-trip? There's no, like, video of that? What are they looking for?
It's amazing, isn't it?
Really smart. Really clean.
Yeah. And it's dry, look. The best part.
Yeah.
I mean, where was that light from, though? Like, how was it lit up? Was that the guy behind you? That could also be a real person that just walked through real quick. That's not crazy.
The best part.
Yeah.
Like a squatter, not like a, you know, chill person.
I'll get down here. God, it just felt cold walking down this, Stu. Show itself just there.
Yeah.
Now watch. Now. See it?
Yeah, but what light is that from?
It seems as though someone or something had passed quickly in front of Steve and his friend. After seeing this clip, Steve now believes more than ever that the tunnel is haunted. But the
I mean, it could just be a squatter. Why
question
would it
is,
be?
though, what exactly is haunting it? Assuming it's something paranormal. Although it's not clear if a ghost was caught on camera, the clip itself is nonetheless pretty creepy.
I mean, yeah, it's a good video, honestly. Yeah, no, I think that could just be a real squatter. And then that's like an encounter, so that's cool too. I mean, this video is overall pretty good so far, so.
Posted a video that was taken outside his house. The footage was taken by a security camera installed in front of his property. However, the video itself has left him spooked. In the video, something very odd was
Bro,
captured.
I already am gonna say this is a Ring camera glitch.
It wasn't until the day after that he posted the video on Reddit in the hopes that someone could explain the footage.
Of course, here we go. Reddit,
But
of course.
for some unknown reason,
Love it.
the video has since been removed.
Because it's
Some
misleading.
believe that the user had taken down the video for the reason that no one was really giving an explanation. Yet,
Yeah, that's misleading content. That would not be taken down accidentally.
others believe that the video is cursed and was taken down for that reason.
Yeah, there
Although
we
we
go.
don't know if that's the case, the video itself is creepy. Take a look at this clip and see what you think.
Yep, exactly what I said. Super dumb. Super dumb. I'm gonna skip that one. I'm sorry. That's just silly. Like, are we really still doing that? What? Oh, this is 4 years ago.
The following photo comes from Pablo Q, who writes, "Here's a picture I found. The kid in this photo is me, and the person behind me is my grandma. We were posing for a photo, but it looks like somebody photobombed our picture. That somebody doesn't look normal to me.
Dude, I hate these. It's kind of the same thing.
This is the photo they took."
Oh, no, it isn't. Well, that's pareidolia.
It was only after finding this picture many years later in his grandmother's household that he noticed something odd about the image. According to his grandmother, no one else was inside the house except them and Pablo's grandfather, who took the photo. Now it could be that this mysterious figure is actually Pablo's grandfather, whose reflection was caught in the mirror. But upon closer examination, Pablo states that the figure shares no resemblance to his grandpa.
Yeah, I mean, we're talking about something passed around Reddit here, so.
That being said, if this wasn't his grandfather, then who or what?
No, it's either pareidolia or it's his grandfather or another person in the photo. That's so stupid. It's just an image.
Had been caught in the picture.
I didn't like that one.
In this last video, a father is playing with his child when something disturbing is seen in the background. There isn't much info on this video, but it speaks for itself. This is what was caught.
What am I watching here? I didn't see anything. Okay. I mean, that's probably her reflection. I mean, let's be honest. That's probably the person with the camera's reflection. No?
Towards the end of the video, if you look close enough, you can see what appears to be a face suddenly appear out of nowhere.
See, I don't know who else is in the yard. That could be somebody chilling or somebody in the house.
In one of the windows. But then, immediately afterwards, another face can be seen in
This one's really stupid. This one is really dumb, but yeah. All right, next video.